Mark, what did we get?
We got 2,000 pounds of English Walnut Burl.
English Walnut Burl. Is that what Claro walnut is?
Claro's a hybrid, I think, of English and black.
Everybody say hi to June. Hi, June.
And they're 3 to 4 feet in diameter.
Wow.
So huge.
Yeah, can't wait. This guy, what's his name, Tosh?
Yeah.
Tosh drove here all the way from California to hand deliver them just to us. He's got a 53-foot cab trailer. Stacks. So half the trailer. So
Southern California. Yeah.
The wood came from Lompoc?
Lompoc, yeah.
Lompoc in California.
North of Santa Barbara. That's where the orchard, where the walnut was grown.
Wow.
Yeah.
And there, Mark was telling me you have like a couple million pounds.
We harvested over 3,000 trees, I think, and estimates around 3 million pounds of walnut.
Wow. 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 So if you guys are, there's a lot of slabs out there, a lot of burls. So if anyone's looking for them.
Yeah, Tahoe Slabs.
TahoeSlabs.com?
You know, I'm not sure if it's .com, but yeah, Tahoe Slabs. Yeah.
Or shoot me a message, leave a comment, and we'll get you in touch with the guys. Or if you're in the Northeast area, these are for sale.
Yeah.
and there's plenty of them. So we
We'll deliver right to your door.
yeah, just make sure you have a skid steer. Because that pallet is about 2,000 pounds, and the trailer is about half full right now.
Yeah.
And when you were first loaded, you were overweight by a couple thousand pounds, right?
7,000 pounds overweight. Our max per load is about 40,000.
Max 40,000 pounds of burls.
Had to unload, do some shuffling around. And then our final, what we left with was about 39.5, I think.
39,500. Wow. Wow. Yeah, these measure about 36 on average in diameter. Obviously not the ones at the top, but pretty cool stuff.
Nice live edge.
Yeah, we're gonna throw them in the kiln now, stack, sticker, throw them in the kiln, and a couple months they'll be dry. Nice and slow, so prevents the checking. Anyway.
It doesn't, like, it bleeds the color a little bit if people dry too fast or something like that.
They'll warp pretty bad, and the color will change if you go too fast.
I never even thought about that. A couple of the guys were talking about. And some people do it on purpose, but it's typically not desirable for the look.
No.
It darkens it and bleeds the colors. So,
Yeah. Yeah, you want to take it kind of slow. So anyway, thanks for watching, fellas.